Hello students. Students, in this video we start chapter 2 from unit mensuration. Chapter 2 is solid figures. What is solid figure? A figure made up of number of plane or curved faces is called solid figure. Bricks, matchbox, talcum powder container and room are the example of solid figure. A solid figure has 3-dimensional while a plane figure has only 2-dimensional. Solid figure has 3-dimensional. Why 3-dimensional? Because in solid figure length, breadth and height is given. Okay, that's why it is known as 3-dimensional. Whereas 2-dimensional, in 2-dimensional figures only length and breadths are there. So in solid figure we find the volume and the total surface area of a solid figure. What is volume? The space enclosed by a solid figure is called its volume. The volume of a solid figure is always measured in cubic centimeter. वॉल्यूम जो है वो हरदम क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर में रहेगा या क्यूबिक मीटर में. क्यों? क्योंकि लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट तीनों दिया रहेगा. सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई द यूनिट सेंटीमीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर वी आर गेटिंग सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. इफ द यूनिट इज गिवन इन मीटर एंड वी मल्टीप्लाई 3 times लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट यूनिट, देन वी आर गेटिंग मीटर क्यूब. Understood student? Next one is total surface area of solid figure. The sum of area of the plane or curved faces of a solid is called its total surface area. It is measured in square units such as square centimeter or square meter. टोटल सरफेस एरिया जो है वो हमारा स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर में या स्क्वायर मीटर स्क्वायर में मेजर होगा. ठीक है. अब जो दो सॉलिड फिगर्स जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे वो है क्यूबॉइड एंड क्यूब. सो फॉर्मूले ऑफ क्यूबॉइड इज, this is the shape of cuboid. In cuboid we know that faces are in the cuboid having the faces are in the shape of a rectangle. Okay, here this length is given, this one is breadth and this is the height. So if we have to find out the volume, formula is length into breadth into height. Total surface area is 2 bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Diagonal is under root L square plus B square plus H square. In cuboid, all the faces are of the square shape and cuboid is a cube. It's having length, breadth and height are equal. So in cube, all the faces are square which are equal in area and all the edges are equal. Best example of a cube is a dice. So if we have to find out the volume of the cube, formula is H cube. H means side cube. Then total surface area is 6 into side square and diagonal is equal to root 3 into side. Clear student? One more thing, area of the four wall of a room. If we have to find out the area of four wall, for example, in your home, if you have to find out the area of the room, then area of the four wall of a room is equal to sum of the four vertical or lateral faces or vertical faces, which is equal to 2 bracket L plus B into H. Clear student? So on the basis of this, we'll start exercise of the chapter. Now student, we see question number 1 of the exercise. The dimension of a cuboid are given, which is 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Find its volume, its surface area and its lateral surface area and the length of diagonal. Volume, formula of volume is length into breadth into height. 10 into 5 into 6 is 300 centimeter cube. Total surface area, TSA, means total surface area equal to 2 bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. So 10 into 5 is 50, 5 into 6 is 30 and 6 into 10 is 60. 50 plus 30 plus 60 is 140, multiply by 2 is 280 centimeters square. Third, lateral surface area, formula is 2 bracket L plus B into H. 2, 10 plus 5 into 6 is 2 into 15 into 6 is 180 centimeters square. Fourth, diagonal is equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square, which is 10 square plus 5 square plus 6 square. 10 square is 100, 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36, which is root 161 equal to 12.7 centimeter. Clear student? Now question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are in the ratio 3:2:1. Its volume is 384 centimeter square. Find the total surface area of the cuboid. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume is given 384, which is equal to 3x into 2x into 1x. 384 equal to 3 into 2x into 1x is 6x cube. So x cube is equal to 384 divided by 6, which is 64. X cube is equal to 64. So x is equal to cube root of 64. X is equal to 4 centimeter. When we multiply, cube root of 64 is 4. Now we substitute the value of this x in length, breadth and height. So length is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 4, 12 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. Height is equal to 1 into x is equal to 1 into 4, 4 centimeter. Next we have to find total surface area, which is 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length is equal to 2 length into breadth, 12 8s are 96, then breadth into height, 8 4s are 32, then height into length is 4 into 12 is 48. So 2 into 176, which is 352 centimeters square. Clear? I hope you understood. Substitute the values in the formula properly, then you will get the correct answer. Now question number 3. If the volume of the cube is 8a cube, find its h, the length of diagonal and total surface area. Volume is given 8k cube, which is side cube. Formula of volume is side cube. Therefore, side is equal to cube root of 8k cube. Cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of k cube is k. So, side is 2k centimeter. Now, length of diagonals is root 3 into side. So, root 3 into 2k is equal to 2 root 3k centimeter. Total surface area is 6 into side square is 6 into 2k square. 2k square is 4k square. So, 6 into 4k square is equal to 24k square centimeter square. Clear, student? Now question number 5. If the volume of the cube is v centimeter cube, its surface area is s centimeter square and the length of diagonal is d centimeter, then prove that volume is equal to 1 upon 6 root 3 s into d. Volume is v centimeter cube, surface area is s centimeter square, length of diagonal is d centimeter. We take right hand side of this equation, which is 1 upon 6 root 3 into s into d. S is given 6 into side square. So 6a square, diagonal is equal to a, we know the formula a root 3. So 6 and 6 is cancelled, root 3 and root 3 is cancelled. Only left is a square into a, which is a cube, and we know that a cube is volume, which is equal to left hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Clear, student? I hope you understood. So here your question number 1 to 5 is finished. Now we see next question of the same exercise. Question number 6 now. A solid cube of h 10 centimeter is melted and cast into a cuboid whose base measures 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter, and we have to find the height of the cuboid. Volume of cube equal to volume of cuboid. Edge of cube is given 10, so volume is equal to 10 cube, and volume of cuboid is a length into breadth into height. Length and breadth is given, which is 20 into 10 into height is h. So 10 cube is 1000 equal to 200 into h. H is equal to 1000 divided by 200, which is 5 centimeters. So height is equal to 5 centimeter. Clear, student? Question number 7b now. A cuboid of dimension 10 into 2 into 3 centimeter is divided into cube of h 2 centimeter. Find the ratio of total surface area of cuboid and that of the cube. Total surface area of cuboid is 2, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, and total surface area of cube is 6 into side square. We put the values. 2 into length into breadth is 10 into 2 is 20, 2, then 2 into 2 is 4, then 2 into 10 is 20 centimeters. So 20 plus 4 plus 20 is 44. 2 into 44 upon 6 into 2 square is 4. We do the calculation. We are getting 11 upon 3, which is 11 ratio 3. Question number 9. Find the length of the longest thin stick that can be kept in a room whose length, breadth and height are 3 meter, 2 meter and root 3 meter respectively. We know that in the room the longest length is diagonals. Therefore, diagonal is equal to square root L square plus B square plus H square, which is 3 square plus 2 square plus root 3 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. 9 plus 4 plus 3 is root 16, which is 4 meter. Clear, student? Now last question of the exercise. The measure of a rectangular field are 20 by 15 meter. A cuboid ditch of h 4 meter is dug at each of 4 corners. These 4 corners, a ditch of h is in the field. From the 4 corners it is removed. The soil is spread uniformly over the remaining field. By what height does the field get raised? So total volume of the earth removed is 4 into 4 cube, which is 256 meter cube. Let the remaining field be raised by h meter. Then the volume of the earth which will raise the level of the remaining field by h meter is equal to 12 into 4 into h plus 12 into 4 into h. Length, this length plus breadth into height, same here, plus 20 into 7 into h. So 256 is equal to 48h plus 48h plus 140h. 256 is equal to 236h meter cube. Therefore, h is equal to 256 divided by 236. When we solve, we are getting 1 whole number 5 upon 59 meter. So, height is equal to 1 whole number 5 upon 59 meter. Clear, student? I hope you understood. So, here your chapter solid figure is finished. Practice all the question and complete all the question in your mathematics copy. Thank you, student.